Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that came all the way from London, Great Britain. And as you know, if you are familiar with the green package, this is coming from Iron Heart in United Kingdom. I'm going to tell you a story about this item. And I bought this item as the last item in my size. And I was surprised because I ordered it on January 25 and it took them maybe 2 or 3 days to have it hemmed. And they immediately sent this item on January 28, and it arrived in Los Angeles, California on February, I think after 3 days. So 28, 29, 30, 31, they received it in Los Angeles sometime in February 1st. And I was surprised. I got a notification from the Johnny Air Cargo that I have a package to be picked up at SM Mega Mall on February 2nd. So in a matter of 28, 29, 30, 31, 1, and then February 2, I got a message that my package has arrived. And I was surprised. This could be the uh, fastest, arrival of an item coming from London or UK, from Ironheart, UK. And usually, the average number of days that an item that I ordered from UK, it took such package to reach me and arrive at the SM Mega Mall pickup point in 9 days. So this is a very, very significant, very fast arrival of this package. And in 5 to 6 days, I got it already. So we're going to unbox this item and we will see what I have ordered. As usual, we have this brown bag, and it says made for life by us, brought to life by you. Nothing. And I have the arrival of the 25-ounce 666 Devil's Cut in Indigo black. So this was the last item, and I was lucky to have it with me. And we have the usual stickers. I have 2 stickers. This is size 31, and I have it cut or hemmed into 30.5 inches because I expect that this pants will shrink of about 1.75 to 1 inch in the inseam, and of course on the waist there will be some shrinkage, maybe about 0.75, but it will stretch out after using it for a few days. So I'll try to find out if yes, because I asked them to send me the uh, the extra fabric as a result of the hemming to 30.5 inches. The reason why I bought this is that I'm beginning to like their indigo black fabric. The one that I'm using for the year 5 Indigo Invitational is their 777 extra heavy selvage in 25 ounces, which is in indigo black. And I plan to use this on the next year's Indigo Invitational, which will be the year 6 Indigo Invitational, for using the 666 or Devil's Cut on Ironheart. During the year 4 Indigo Invitational, I used the 666 in 21 ounces, and I was very satisfied with the fit. I like the fit of the Devil's Cut. It is slim, straight cut, and I really love it. So when this was available on the Ironheart website, I immediately ordered because in one day almost all the stock is gone. So I am very lucky to have the last size 31, wherein the waist size is 32.5 or 32.7. And I know that is exactly my waist size because on my first 666 I have it in size 31. However, the actual size was 31.5, and I gained some weight. I i tested and measured my waist to have increased by 1 inch. That's the reason why I ordered size 31 in 32.5 or 32.7 inches in the actual size. So this is it. And the stitching is very, very nice, contrasting to the indigo black color of the fabric. So we will see this particular Ironheart denim in the next year's Indigo Invitational. For for the moment, that will be it for this unboxing video for this 666 extra heavy salvage in indigo black with a weight of 25 ounces coming from Ironheart, UK. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye.